See, I have given one sample project plan here. Okay.
Okay.
In the project plan, what are the main activities will happen and all. Yeah, I will just give overview here. Anyway, during our discussion, we can have. In project plan, project preparation, as I told you, it is all at management level. That activities also, many activities will be there, which are not that much important for a functional consultant. But we should know what happened. That's it. Okay. I have given with some example dates, just to have a look on that one. But whenever you are crossing each phase, I will show you this slide. Okay.
Okay.
I have highlighted some main activities in each phase. Okay. Project preparation. Team is ready. That's the last stage. Team is ready, and if they have to travel to the client place, if it is a domestic, they will book normal flight tickets and all. If it is the international, they have to plan the visa process, everything. Some people visa was not processed, all the headaches they have to finish, and finally one date. For example, here we will take it as a November 25th. Okay. November 25th, everybody should be at the client place. That is the plan. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe November 21st or 22nd, all people will reach to the client place, and they will plan for a BPP initial kickoff meeting. That is called kickoff meeting. Okay, what is kickoff meeting? Everything I will explain. They will fix one date because all the like senior people also have to be attended, their MD, and because they are going to spend some 10 crores or 20 crores on that project, means it is at how many high level were involved, right? That's why the first meeting everybody will attend, and from our side also our account manager, any senior people will attend for the first meeting. Later on, the only project manager and the consultants will be at the client place. For any steering committee, some important meetings, once in a 2 months, at that time only the senior management people will come and join. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what any queries about the project preparation?
Project preparation is it nothing but that in short there is from our end
Hmm?
whichever they are planning for the implementation of SAP in customer place.
Hmm?
There is this project preparation will involve that activities. What should be made, what type of team should be there,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
what model will be there,
Hmm.
and what is the duration and the budget, and what existing. What they will understand how the existing is running and how
Uh,
to implement
that,
everything.
that is basic understanding. How existing is all
Yeah,
coming in the next phase.
yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
Here they will just
That
prepare a scope of work. Okay, they
work.
will have a
Okay.
okay MM3 consultant, because more process are there. MM3, very less PP
Mm-hmm.
process. One PP consultant is enough. PPPM one consultant. FI also more, 3 or 4 consultants. It's like as some scope of work. See,
Yeah.
customer is also,
Yeah.
they are going to spend some 10 crores on this project. Mean they will have some requirements. If you want to buy a 30,000 laptop, you will go to shop and you will ask 1,000 things. I want graphic card, I want 15 inches, I want something Windows 7. Like that, you also have many questions, right? Like that, customer is also going
Correct.
to implement SAP. That's why they will also come up with their requirements. They have seen SAP in many other companies, and they will compare also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 1 second, I will be back. If you have any sales party, any third party system, we have to interlink with SAP, because in third party you are selling the goods. In SAP, stock will be there, right? If you interlink both of them, then only stock will be coming down from SAP also.
Mm-hmm.
If you go to DMart, if you go to Vishal Mega Mart, all these are having SAP only, but if you go to DMart and see, that guy who is working as a shopkeeper, like the shop person who is sitting and doing that all the billing, right? You can see some Excel sheet kind of thing. They will just read the barcode, and they will do how many, okay, you want how many sugar packets, 3 packets and all. But the stock is coming down from SAP because of these interfaces. They will run that interface by evening at 8 o'clock or something, for example, before closing time. If you go to Fast Track showroom, and everywhere they're using SAP only, but they will have some type of third-party system for their running business.
Okay.
Okay. Have you gone anytime DMart or Fast Track? Have you seen the screens
Yeah,
of shopkeeper?
not able to see, but I visited there.
Okay, you have seen the screens, right? They will have a Excel kind of thing will be visible.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
all the entries will be saved in the database, and you can see if you go to Fast Track and all, if their closing time is 9 o'clock, if you go at 8:30, they don't give anything. They will tell you to come tomorrow,
Yeah,
because in the
correct.
closing time they will close all their transactions there. And through IDOC we have interfaces, documents like IDOC we have. Through IDOC all the data will be copied to SAP. Once it comes
Okay,
to SAP, this entire stocks today, how many materials they have sold, those all the details will be affected in SAP also. Because our final reporting system is SAP. Hmm?
hmm,
That's right.
I got it.
You got it right. Like that, they will, because they don't want to lose their current system, which is very simple for the users. But that simple system doesn't provide that much database and that much reporting and all. That's why they're coming to SAP. And that simple system they are also using only for certain purposes. So sometimes they will use for only for sales, separate software, only for buying, separate software. These things, that's why this interfaces is also playing more role. Like you might be had like RFCs, remote function control, and IDOC in SAP. So these all things will interlink from one SAP system to non-SAP system.
Yeah.
Okay, simultaneously you can use both the systems.
Oh,
Okay, okay, now finally we came to, can we give us a short break before BBP, or can we start?
yeah, we can check.
We can. Okay, right? Because the final understanding those things are very important. Okay, business blueprint, one of the important phases, and where our consultant roles will start. Okay, what exactly the BBP phase, and how do you, what are the roles we do? Everything will start from the BBP phase. Okay, we just know what we have discussed. Project preparation is completed, team is completed. Okay, team is completed, and the visa whatever the, if it is a domestic, everybody has traveled to the client place. We reached the client place, and as per the project plan, November 25th. Okay, November 25th we
Yes,
planned as a kickoff meeting. Okay,
correct.
the date is just for your thing only, you can keep it anything.
Reference, reference.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Just I have used one dates only. Okay, now November 25th we planned as a kickoff meeting. What is the kickoff meeting? And in any interviews you can ask that one also. Hmm?
yeah.
What is kickoff meeting? What is use of kickoff meeting? And who are the audiences in kickoff meeting? What is the purpose of kickoff meeting? These are 4 to 5 type of questions will come.
Okay,
Hmm? Uh, what is kickoff meeting means? It's a kickoff meeting is like the initial kickstart. It's like all the people will be, introduction will happen, because we don't know who is the customer. We know only we got a project from so and so industries, but we don't know who is customer, how many, what is single point of contact, and like what the plan. Everything will be announced here, and we introduced each other. uh, First of all, we know at some level of okay what we are going to do, but the customer doesn't know, right? Maybe some higher level people know what SAP and all, but the lower level people don't know what is SAP, how does it work. Many people don't know. In this kickoff meeting, the main, if you see that IT team, account manager. I told you each project will have account manager. Generally, this account manager used to handle 2-3 projects. They will have one account manager. Okay, they will take only the budget related things, any other expenses. They used to come to our client place or some meetings. There is a meetings called steering committee meetings. All higher level, our consultants level people won't be attended to that meeting.
Mm-hmm.
They won't they will have monthly one, not monthly, every once in a 2 months they used to have a steering committee meetings. Consultants won't be attended. Our project manager, account manager, and their our delivery head and their manage, just such type of higher people. They used to have a meeting and how the progress. We have targeted the project to complete within a year. Within a year, if you want to complete within 2 months, at least 10% or 20% has to be completed. What is our current situation and any challenges from business side and any problems, they will raise some queries. IT people are not responding. There are some problems are happening. Otherwise, these people will give a complaint like whenever we are asking some data, customer is not responding quickly. Because of that, our consultants are not having proper work and we are losing some time, which is very valuable. This type of higher level, not small things. Internet is not working for half an hour. Otherwise, client customer is coming late. He's going early at 5:30. These are small things. We will be project manager level. We used to give complaint, and he used to contact with that opposite project manager. Customer also will have a project manager, right?
Correct, correct.
Those are all small things, but in this steering committee all are bigger things, like there are some 20 extra developments are identified. Each development we are going to charge at least 10 lakh rupees, like that. Any big financial, mainly financial things. uh, Total project time is 10 months, 2 months is completed. Are you in a position of 20% or not? If not, what is the reason? Like that, higher
Okay.
level discussions will happen in steering
Business
committees.
discussion.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we come to our kickoff meeting. In kickoff meeting, you can say all the people from our side and their side also. For example, I will explain who is account manager, who will take care about the financial things, and he used to handle 1, 2, 3 projects at simultaneously.